Hello friends, welcome to my channel Vidisha's Creations. In this series, we will start with Gond art. So first I would tell you what is exactly Gond art. Gond art is a form of painting from folk and tribal art that is practiced by one of the largest tribe in India. This is called Gond. Gond is the tribe and this art is come from that tribal. Basically, it's originated from MP, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, and some part of Andhra Pradesh and Maharashtra. This Gond art, actually, when people used to do this painting basically on wall, but nowadays we will use this art on any possible surface. Like we can use paper, we can use bottle, we can use hardboard, any other surface we can make the tribal art. In this introduction, I would like to tell you, first we have to draw a rough pencil sketch. Then we will use bright color and paint the sketch. Then draw a black outline. With the help of lines and dots and dashes, try to create a pattern or design of your own. Okay, so and we can use different colors for detailing to create an overall effect. So let's start with Gond painting. So in this tutorial we will explain only very simple thing, and we will start with flower. Then you can understand what is exactly Gond painting and how it looks like. Okay, so this is the painting. You can see this is the picture. Okay, you need some brushes, any round and any good brushes, pencil, eraser and sharpener. You need some permanent colors because we have to do dashes and lines on the surface, so we will use permanent color to make this Gond art. You can use fabric color or you can use acrylic color as well as. See, you can use this artistic acrylic color. These are some important material. You need one water jar. So first we will draw the sketch. Start with very simple thing, then you can understand what is exactly Gond painting. Okay, so I am making I think it's not visible because I am using pencil. After that will we then okay, I will focus on it. Okay, now it is okay. See, it is little thick, so we can one leaf is there and another leaf is there. And just draw the line. Got it? Now for I will use marker to draw the lines. I am not using a sketch pen because a sketch pen is not waterproof. I am using black permanent marker. Just make it with very light hand. Don't do any pressure on pencil or pen. Okay, rest pencil mark I will erase it. Our design is ready. Now we will start coloring. This is the sample only. Okay, in the next video we will start with techniques and styles. This is the sample, what is the Gond painting and how it looks like. Okay, So start. Now we can use any flower color, like we can use red or we can use orange color. It's totally up to you. So right now I am using red color to make the flower. There is no shading, no double part, double shade, anything. Just you have to fill the colors only with any one shade. So first I am taking the brush, I am taking color and just make it. You have to fill full petal with one color. Like this, okay? I am using flat brush. If you are not comfortable with flat brush, then you can use round brush, okay? Just you need to take the simple strokes. That color should be permanent. If you don't have any color like acrylic color and fabric color, then you can use poster color for the practice. After that you can make this design with permanent color. Now it is looking simple, but that is the very basic steps. After the basic steps we will start gone painting. Actually this is the very simple and very common steps to make any flower. Basically every folk art is very sober and simple. They don't have any depth. So this is the one of the reason the techniques and the styles are very simple. But as always, just you have to maintain the dignity, that you have to maintain the soul of the proper folk art which you are doing. Like if you are making gone painting, just you have to maintain, you have to create that dignity, that soul, okay? Don't mix the two art forms together. If you are making gone, then you have to make, then you have to show exactly gone painting. You cannot mix two folk arts together. This is very light, so I am doing this dark. अगर आप के पास परमानेंट कलर नहीं है, then you can use acrylic color, sorry, poster colors. And if you have acrylic color, to just try to use that colors only to make this gone painting, okay? Very simple steps. Just you have to make, and you need to color this in one direction with the one stroke, okay? Now the flower is ready. Now we will make the leaf. To color this leaf, we will use green color. So I am taking this green color. This is sap green. So I am changing my brush because I have to use this green color. If your brush is not moving, it means moisture is not there, water is not there. Then you can use water on the tip. Don't dip your brush full in the water. Just make brush water in the tip and just spread the whole color. Okay, like this. The base is smooth and plain. Okay, now I am doing the another leaf. Now leaves are ready. Oh sorry, आपको दिखा नहीं. Okay, now this is the full picture. Okay, now we will color this part. So to make this part we need brown color. Color should be vibrant and dark. To take brown color and just fill it this portion. Okay, now the base portion is ready. Now we will start actual gone painting. Okay, so let it get dry. After drying we will start the gone painting. Okay, so let's start. We will start with flower. Now I will take this marker. If you don't have marker, then take 0 number brush. And okay, let me show the 0 number brush. You can take any 0 number brush, this one, and you can use black color, black permanent fabric color. This is the bottle, Fabrica bottle, or you can use brush and you can use marker. Okay, in this video I am using this marker, then you will get to understand कि कैसे आपको gown painting करनी है. बाकी सीरीज में मैं आपको ब्रश के साथ भी करके बताऊंगी. So I am using this black marker. It is very simple. Now to make this, just I am making some dots to fill. I am not putting any color to make this center point. I'm trying to understand कि आप कैसे गोन पेंटिंग को कर सकते हैं सिंपल वे में. जस्ट आप समझ लीजिए कि गोन पेंटिंग होती क्या है, गोन पेंटिंग को करते कैसे हैं. टेक्निक्स बहुत मुश्किल नहीं है, बट आपको एसेंस को समझना पड़ेगा. बेस के ऊपर हम कलर्स करते हैं. जैसे फ्लावर्स बनाने के लिए आप बहुत ही सिंपल वे में ऐसे लाइंस देंगे. सिंपल. ओके, अभी यहाँ से सिंपल लाइंस आपको देनी है. दिस इज़ द वेरी बेसिक टेक्निक जिससे आप समझ सकते हैं कि गोन पेंटिंग क्या होती है एग्जैक्टली. बेसिक सब्जेक्ट्स हमारे नेचर होते हैं, हमें फ्लोरा फौना ये सब दिखाना पड़ता है. जस्ट दिस इज़ द वेरी बेसिक टेक्निक टू स्टार्ट एनी पेंटिंग. ओके, like this. Got it? नाउ हमारा फ्लावर ऑलमोस्ट कंप्लीट है. अभी लीव्स के लिए जस्ट वी नीड टू मेक द लाइन इन द सेंटर. ओके, just draw this line because when we were coloring it will get fade. Okay, now just make proper line, do outline. Okay, now we have to make thin lines. Like if we will start like this, very thin line just you have to make, and like this. See, I think you're not able to see. Okay, now it is okay. Just you need to make very thin line to fill this green portion like this. If you're not comfortable, then you can use a scale, but try to make it freehand like this. स्केल सिर्फ इसलिए कि अभी आप जस्ट फर्स्ट चैप्टर पे हैं गोंड पेंटिंग के, तो मैं थोड़ी सी आपको फैसिलिटीज़ दे रही हूँ कि इन द फर्स्ट चैप्टर यू कैन यूज़ स्केल टू मेक दीज लाइन्स. आफ्टर दैट यू मे हैव टू मेक फुल पिक्चर फ्री हैंड. ओके, ऐसे जितनी थिन लाइन्स आप बना सकते हो दैट इज़ बेटर, बिकॉज दिस इज़ द ब्यूटी ऑफ गोंड पेंटिंग, गोंड आर्ट. जो ब्यूटी है वो हाथ से ही बनाने में आएगी. इफ़ यू आर यूजिंग स्केल दैट ब्यूटी विल नॉट कम. सो जस्ट ट्राई टू मेक इट विथ योर हैंड. You can control your hand, but you cannot control your scale. So it's better you will use scale. Okay, done. Now we'll start here. These videos are not edited. मैं कुछ भी edit नहीं करूँगी, जिससे you can learn all the steps. If I will do mistake, then you can learn with the mistakes also. So this videos is totally pure without any editing. Okay, मेरे सभी folk arts tutorial जो भी मेरी online classes हैं, these are unedited. Without editing, I will provide the videos to my students. I think it is helping to you all, because I have got many messages कि मैम मैंने आपकी मिस्टेक्स से भी सीखा, क्योंकि जो मुझसे मिस्टेक होती है मैं क्लेरिफिकेशन उस टाइम पे आपको देती हूँ. देन यू कैन लर्न फुल पिक्चर. Okay, now it's done. Now just you can make some dash or dotted lines to fill this brown portion. दिस इज़ गोंड पेंटिंग. जो एक्चुअल गेंद पेंटिंग है वो हमारी इस तरह से दिखती है. दिस इज़ आवर वेरी बेसिक स्टेप. आफ्टर दिस वी विल स्टार्ट विथ फीलर्स. क्या क्या फीलर्स हो सकते हैं, विच फीलर्स यू कैन यूज़ टू मेक द peacock, make the bird, make the fishes, different type of deer, cow, elephant, butterfly. So many motifs are there. Human figure is not there in gourd art, but sometimes we can see some human figures in gourd art. So we will teach you how to make human figure, how to fill, how to color, everything. So this is the first video. Now you have enjoyed it. In the next video we will start with the proper steps. Okay, so till then, take care. Bye. This is the final picture. You can take the take picture of this art. After that you can Improve your skill. See, I can show you the leaf work. See, you can see the light line work with the black steps and the dot lines on the flower. This is the full picture. You can see this is the flower, this is the leaf. Okay, this is the full picture. Okay, bye. See you in the next video.